Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Cricket Magic 5G for Cricket Wireless. So the Cricket Magic 5G is a new exclusive budget 5G smartphone for Cricket. It is now available for $139.99. So there is no discounts for this phone, so it's $139.99 across the board. So you guys will have a gray plaid color option. So this is what the Cricket Magic 5G looks like here. You guys will have your teardrop notch with front facing camera, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone, and of course it comes with a 2-year warranty. So that is a win right there. Peace of mind, that's always good to have, peace of mind, so that's a win. So yeah, the left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot, and you have a slight camera bump there on the back. And then on the back of the Cricket Magic 5G has dual camera setup, looks like dual LED flash, fingerprint sensor, Cricket logo, and it has like this checkered pattern on the back, which is pretty cool and different. So if you guys like the design of the phone, go check it out. I think the design of the phone on the back looks very nice. It has like a checkered pattern, so very nice and different design on the back. So instead of having a solid gray slab, this has a little bit of uniqueness to it. So the checkered pattern looks very nice in my opinion, and it's also very different, so that's a win. So the Cricket Magic 5G has a 6.6-inch display, 13 megapixel main camera, 64 gigabytes of storage. It says conjure convenience like never before with the Cricket Magic 5G. This device packs plenty of remarkable features up its sleeves, like the 6.6-inch HD Plus display, NFC support, and the AI powered dual rear camera. Your secrets will never be revealed thanks to the rear fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and the latest security features from Android 13. With 64 gigabytes of internal memory and 4,000 mAh battery, you will have plenty of space and power, so you can work your magic backed by Cricket's 2-year warranty. So that is a win right there. You get face unlock and fingerprint sensor on this budget smartphone, so that's a great feature to have. And you also can use Google Pay on this phone as well, because it has support for Google Pay, so that's a win. Features still to show with an immersive 6.6-inch HD plus 90Hz display and stress resistant glass. Watch your content come to life and striking clarity on the 6.6-inch HD plus 90Hz refresh rate display. The large high resolution screen creates an immersive experience ideal for watching videos, playing games, browsing the internet, and more. Engineered with protective stress resistant glass. Alright, so that's very nice. It also has a 90Hz refresh rate as well, which is pretty good. AI powered 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera and 5 megapixel front facing camera. Whether capturing an amazing view or looking your best on a video call, the Cricket Magic 5G has you covered. Get creative with the 13 plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera, range of effects, or take the perfect selfie with the 5 megapixel front facing camera. Master performer. The octa-core processor with 5G speeds delivers faster, more efficient performance, making it an ideal choice for those who demand high performance devices. Alright, so yeah. Specs. So the Cricket Magic 5G has Android 13, so not bad. That might be the only update the only OS that it stays on Android 13, so that might be the lifespan of the phone is Android 13, so don't expect no updates on this phone. Just don't. Seriously, just don't expect no updates on this phone. But anyways, you guys will have your dimensions on the Cricket Magic 5G are 6.62 inches height, 3.03 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. Display is a 6.6-inch HD plus display, 720 by 1612 pixel resolution. It also features a 90Hz refresh rate, which is very nice to have. 64 gigabytes of internal storage, and you do have a micro SD card slot. So take advantage of that. Your connectivity options on the Cricket Magic 5G include Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABGN AC, mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi calling, Type-C charging, of course, and Bluetooth 5.1. Rear camera is 13 megapixel, main camera 2 megapixel. I'm assuming that will be a depth camera. The 2 megapixel will be a depth camera, I'm assuming. And the 5 megapixel front facing camera. 2.2 gigahertz octa-core processor, 4000 mAh battery, and there's your hair and neck compatibilities there. And it looks like that is it there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Cricket Magic 5G is now here at Cricket Wireless. It comes with a 2-year warranty. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone for cheap, the Cricket Magic is worth taking a look at here. In my opinion, I think the phone looks very nice, especially the back of the phone looks very nice and unique and different, and gives like personality and whatnot. So my favorite part about the phone is the design on the back of the phone. Is my favorite part about the phone is the design on the back. So for $140, you're getting a pretty cool deal here. You're getting a 90Hz refresh rate, getting 5G, of course. Main selling point is 5G, obviously. You're getting Android 13, which don't expect much in terms of like updates and stuff, but not bad for a backup phone and whatnot. So definitely worth checking out, especially for the design on the back of the phone. That's my favorite part about the phone, is the checker pattern on the back of the phone. That's just really awesome and very unique and stuff like that. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Cricket Magic 5G is now here at Cricket Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.